Day 1 of my Ebola research. I'm just starting it. I have the samples in here. This is all I have. I'm going to see how long it takes to test this. Hopefully we can figure it out.
We're in hiding. There's so much violence, and I don't know what to do. And my sister is sick with the Ebola virus, and I'm immune. I don't know how. And
this is day 1 from getting back to my trip from Africa, where I was visiting the animals. The disease Ebola has been very apparent in that country. I'm feeling some symptoms. My fever is above 101 degrees. My throat's closing up, and I'm starting to get really dizzy inside. I don't know what else is going to be happening. Oh, I'll keep you guys updated.
Day 7. I've worked really hard and I figured out the pattern in which the Ebola virus replicates. It starts with the macrophynocytis. Then it goes to the fusion in the endosomal membrane. It then goes to the cytoplasmic viral ribonucleocapsid. Next, the negative-stranded RNA virus is transmitted. The negative-stranded RNA virus is replicated. Then the budding VIA host, ESCRT. Then the extracellular virion, the attachment, and the process begins again. I'm still trying to figure out how long it takes for the replication to occur. I'll keep you posted.
I went outside. There's so much violence, so much dead bodies. And I'm thinking about doing a blood infusion, see if I can get my sister to not have the Ebola virus thing anymore. I'll keep you posted.
My symptoms are getting worse. My joint pain's acting up. I've diarrheaed more than once. I'm vomiting constantly. These symptoms, they're pointing toward Ebola, and I don't know how much worse I'm gonna get. I'm gonna keep you guys updated though.
Day 11. I've figured out some more things about the Ebola virus. I've figured out that the infected dendritic cells, they stop the distress signal so that your body can no longer figure out that there is something bad and will not try to stop this. I also figured out that there's an Ebola protein, VP24, that binds and blocks transportation of proteins to immune cells. I've also figured out the lymphocytes are prevented from fighting, therefore making it impossible for the virus to be attacked. The microphages, they are able to trigger coagulation, which is because of this affects the clogging and the transition of blood through your system, making it harder for the blood to flow and making it so that you bleed from your eyes, your nose, and your ears. The microphages also eat the cells, killing everything. This is how people are slowly ending up dying. Be careful.
It worked. I'm basically the cure. I'm immune to everything. The people are after me.
It's getting much worse. I'm still sweating a lot. My joint pain is getting significantly worse. I think the only thing I don't have so far is internal bleeding. Oh my god. I think I have Ebola.
After intense micro study, I figured out the shape of the virus. The shape of the virus is string-like in a long form. Covering the Ebola virus are glycoprotein all around it. The inside of the protein, the inside of the Ebola virus, there is nucleoprotein. This fills the inside. I figured out the structure, and now you all need to be safe because this is my last post. I can't be around this anymore. The airborne sickness has killed so many of us. I have to go, but this is the end.
This will be my last video. I've gotten much worse. I'm now bleeding from my eyes and from my nose. My internal bleeding is getting too much. I've barfed almost completely blood today. I'm starting to get a rash all over my body. I don't know how long I have to live. Ugh. I don't know. Ugh.
First, it's microphynocytis, then the fusion of I need to practice this.
My sister is infected, and we're just. There's too much.
That was good though. That was really... No, that was it. That was the end.
And yeah, after me. I don't know what to do. I'm so scared. That big name.
You nasty. Yeah.
Scared. No!